Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on display. And as you can see, right here we have the brightness. But before we change anything, we need to disable the auto brightness. So let's tap on the switch right here. And now we can tap on brightness. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by using the rotating bezel, like this. And once you're done, simply press the upper button, like that. You can also change the screen brightness by opening the quick panel, swiping left on the screen to go to the next page. And here you have your brightness icon. Tap on it, and again you can adjust the brightness by using the bezel and then pressing the upper button. Another way to change the screen brightness is to use the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the Galaxy Wearable app. In the app, let's scroll down, tap on Watch Settings, select the display, and here we have the brightness slider. Again, if the auto brightness is enabled, disable it by tapping on the switch, and then adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider right here. It's a little wonky for some reason. Oh, now it's working fine. And once you're done, simply go back like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.